from, that's like breaking the mold. You supposed to do what you told. The elders' words are like gold. From the concrete you rose, you determine how far you.
Sunny out.
Y'all, I got a secret. Y'all see the sign behind me? Y'all remember this from yesterday? I had to come get some more of them fish tacos, y'all. The lunch that I got for myself earlier, I wasn't really feeling it. Oh yeah, and welcome to the vlog. How rude of me not to speak to y'all. I'm about to go there and get my food. I'll be back, y'all. Something jumping. I thought I was gonna get some monkeys for y'all. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to the vlog. I'm out here looking kind of crazy. I don't care. Y'all see where we at with it. The food that I got earlier today, I wasn't really feeling it, so I came back and got me some more fish tacos. And it is currently 3:01 p.m. and I'm feeling great today. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome to the vlog. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you'll get notifications when I drop these videos. Y'all, I feel like I'm climbing Mount Zion. Jesus. But yeah, we about to go back to the crib. I'm about to eat, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all later.
Look, never been the type to walk around with broken promises. I'm always on some honest shit. I took my time to honor this. Oftentimes I crack a smile while hide behind my confidence. Them same lips you be kissing, yeah, this loving ain't anonymous. This is pure enjoyment. I'm sitting back and I'm pondering. Thank God for you. Will always take what you offering. Never too much, never giving me less. On the days that you ain't got it, you always give it your best. Lady, you are mine. I say that shit with my chest. Reason that I love you, you always easing the stress. You my backbone, and that's the reason I flex. The same one that helped me decompress. If fuck what you say. I'm slide, cause nobody do it like you. You be taking your time. Just talk to me, baby. Tell me all the thoughts on your mind. Ain't shine, same light, same light. Keep the lights on in the daylight. Got you by my side and it ain't right.
Yeah.
I'm not no professional.
We just do what we gotta do to get it done.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Not too much, huh? I feel like there's normally like big rolls of hair that come when you're sweeping every time I cut your hair. I think you go so long, and this time you didn't really. You didn't really wait that long this time.
Because I know it's coming up to the point where you can be like, it's time for me to twist your hair.
Oh, it's already at that point.
As long as I keep my hair looking at least a little decent, you won't say that. And I don't want to get my hair done right now, so.
Yeah.
Putting that work, boy. Day one done. Let's get it. Yerp, y'all, what's up? So as you see, workout number 2 complete for 75 hard. So today is the first official day that we got it done. I'm tired, and I know I ain't said much about trades today. I'm gonna hop in the computer and I'm gonna show you this GJ buy that I'm in and why I got into it. And because remember, we were selling GJ, but what I've learned is I can't be married to my analysis. If price is showing me something else, I got to react to what price is showing me. So we're going to hop into the computer. I did a breakdown on this yesterday, but I don't think it's saved. So I'm going to show you why I got into it. And I'm telling you right now, it's because of a CRT. CRT trades, that's my thing. Let's get into the computer and let's take a look at GJ. Let's go. All right, y'all. So we on the computer with it. And I had it marked up from yesterday. I actually had some notes on it. That's crazy. Oh, there they go. Alright, boom. So look, low of the week is usually made with Tuesday's distribution candle. Based on that knowledge, my bias is switching to bullish for now. Price appears to be creating a weekly candle range trade. If price pulled back to this breaker on a 1 hour, which is close to the new day open, I'm looking to buy it up to the 50% of the weekly candle range. Alright, so let me show you what that means, just so you can get in on this precision here. Look at that, y'all, to the pip. Alright, we in there. So let me break it down for you real quick, and I'm gonna get out your way. If we go to the daily chart and we just take it back. Come on. All right, boom. Let me clear this off. Move drawings, bam. Yes, all right. So, if we go out to the weekly, right? The weekly, this is the candle that I'm using for the candle range, because this candle led to price tapping into this fair value gap. All right, and I'm gonna show you the reaction that let me know to switch the bias up a little bit. If you come down to, I'm gonna just say the 5-minute chart, because that's the chart I like to look at it on. Let's get this going. All right, boom. So this candle, this line is the candle range low. That's the weekly low of last week. This candle right here pierced it. Okay? And if you want to use that candle, you can use that candle too. But that is the candle that price closed below to break that low. So we're going to mark that up. We're going to use this one right here. And we're going to drag that out. Now, for the candle range, all we have to wait for is for price to close back above that, and then test this. It's an order block, okay? All right. So boom. This is Monday's candles. So let's go to the 1 hour so we can speed it up a little bit. All right. So boom. Let's play. All right. Price is doing all of that. Boom. Okay. Whoa. All right. So it came a little lower. This is a low, a high, a low, a low. That's a breaker, and we're on the 1 hour, right? So now, what we need for price to do is we literally have to wait. We have to wait still for price to break this, close on top, and retest it. All right. So let's see. This is Tuesday. This is when I saw this playing out, and this is when that was yesterday. All right. So we're just gonna move these along, move them along. Boom. All right. Okay. Wait. Stop. Whoa. Slow your roll, shorty. Yo, this thing is wildin'. Y'all see what happened? Yo, this thing bugged out. All right. So I'm not gonna pull it back because this thing is tripping, as you can see. But you see price closed above. All right, and it pushed past it. Okay, it induced these highs, all right, and it tapped back in here. When price pulled back in here, that's when I entered the trade. All you have to do is literally set a pending order at that order block. Set your stop loss below that candle that broke the low. Okay, this is on a 1 hour chart. So my stop loss, to be on the safe side, is under here. All right, and then you see what price did. It just took off. All right, so this is where price is at right now. Take profit. You got two areas of interest. Okay, the best one is going to always be 50% of the candle range, because usually that hits. Once it hit the 50%, anything can happen. All right, so let's just take a look at this. Equilibrium. Boom. Come on. Any day now. That's wild. Alright, anyway, this is 50%, y'all. 50% is 192,376. So theoretically, that's your first TP, and your second TP is up here. Alright. Let's see where price is at now. Did it hit the first TP yet? Or is it still inducing it? Probably inducing it. Yeah, nah, it ain't hit TP yet. We still got a little ways to go before it hit TP. That's the first TP. This is the weekly chart, so it can take some time for that trade to play out. Price can even pull back a little bit more. That's all okay. And just to show you, we in there. See, we in there. Alright. But yeah, y'all see what happened to my account. I was crashing out yesterday. But you see we back at it. We back at it. That's the GJ breakdown. That's why I'm in the buy. If you found some value here, drop in the comments and let me know. If you got any questions about candle ranges, let me know. I'm not no expert at it. I've been trading candle ranges for like the past 2 months now. And ever since I started trading candle range theory, using ICT concepts with it as well, my trading has significantly improved. Alright, so if y'all got any questions, comments, or concerns, just let me know. We about to end this vlog just like this. We on to the next one. Remember, y'all, things will never ever change in your life if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.
The truth of who you are, you were born to be a star. The sun rules my world, so I let it play its part. It's my golden art. We connected from the start.